Welcome to Vanishing Voices, where we are preserving the stories of nature's lost wonders.
Meet the dwarf elephant, a smaller relative of the larger African and Asian elephants, known for its reduced size and unique adaptations. Found in various parts of Southeast Asia, these elephants are endangered due to habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict. As of 2023, exact population numbers are unclear, but they are considered critically endangered.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more great content.